So first example is R over R is a vector space. So we need to check this set R, V equal to R and F equal to R. R over R, V over F. So R over R is a vector space. So we need to check V over R satisfies, R over R satisfies 8 properties. We need to check it. So first property is associative property. So x, y, z element of R, x, y, z element of V, x plus y plus z equal to x plus y plus z. We already know R satisfies associative property. The second thing is x, y element of R, x plus y equal to y plus x. We already know commutative property also satisfied. Commutative property also satisfied. Next, 1 and 2 property satisfied. Next property is existence of 0. 0 is an element of R. So exist 0. Next is some A is an element of R implies minus A is also element of R. So additive inverse exist. Next, fifth property is alpha beta is an F. Here F is R. Here F is R. R over R. So alpha beta is an element of R. That is F. And V is an element of R. That is capital V. So alpha beta V equal to alpha is in R, beta is in R, V is in R. So alpha into beta V is associative in multiplication. So we can write alpha beta V. This is like associative in multiplication. So in the case of R over R, this will become multiplicative association. Therefore, we can write alpha beta into V. In another sets quite different. But in this case, we can say this scalar multiplication with field multiplication. Scalar multiplication and F will be a field. We can call it as F is a field. So scalar multiplication with field multiplication is like multiplicative association in the case of R over R. Therefore, these two equalities are equal. So fifth property also satisfied. Next, 1 is an element of F. F is here is R. So 1 is an element of R. V is an element of V, that is also R. So 1 into V equal to multiplication. 1 element in R multiplied by 1, that is also equal to 1. Like here only this multiplication is 1 into V is V. Another set, another operations quite different. In this case, R over R, normal multiplication and normal addition. Therefore, 1 into V is V. That also satisfied. The next 7th is alpha into U plus V. Alpha is in R, U, V is in R. Therefore, alpha into U plus V is a distribution over R. Therefore, this is equal to alpha U plus alpha V. Next, 8th property is alpha beta into V. This also alpha beta in R, V in R. This also distribution, right distribution. This is like a left distribution and this is like right distribution. So we can write alpha v plus beta v. So R over R is therefore these 8 properties are satisfied. R over R is vector space. Okay.